Welcome to a new session of geography class. Children, in this class we are going to study about the types and elements of maps. So as you know that our Earth is the most significant planet in this solar system because only in this planet life exists. So this planet of Earth, it comprises of large land masses called the continents and the water bodies known as the oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and gulfs. So all these things can be located on a map. Now let's see what is a map. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. It is a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features. So map is a drawing. Now here you can see the map of India. Now you can locate that is which state is where and how many states do we have in our country. So all these states are differently colored and this is how we can see all the things in a map. So this is also easy to handle because it is on a plain paper. On a flat surface we can give a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea with their physical features. So what kind of a land it is, what is the relief feature of it, what are the symbols used for showing the things on a map, all these are in the map and we can understand from all those symbols and colors. Now we have different types of maps. First is the political map, then the physical map and then the thematic maps. So in political maps, it shows the different countries, states, administrative divisions, cities, towns of a country. In physical map, we can see all the relief features, that is the mountains, rivers, plains, plateaus and other features. And in thematic maps, it shows details of a certain theme such as the rainfall, forest, soil, weather, roads and crop distribution. So in which area what kind of crop grows, what kind of forest is there, what kind of rainfall occurs in an area. This is understood by the thematic maps. Now directions on a map. So as you know that we have 4 cardinal directions, that is the north, south, east and west. So it is depicted on a map as you can see in this picture. You can see where is east, where is the west and we have the north. So you have east, west, north and south. And between them we have northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. So in this way we can understand the direction of a place in a map. Now we can measure, actually it is a vast land surface or vast sea, then how can we show it on a map? So we have a ratio to show it on a map. So map shows smaller distances. So we on a land we can show the distances in kilometers, while on a map we can represent it either in millimeter or centimeters. So this ratio is known as the scale of the map. Then it is also of different types. That is first the statement scale, where we represent a map in centimeters and kilometers, that how many centimeters is the distance, and then we show the ratio that 1 centimeter is equivalent to 1 kilometer on land. That is 1 centimeter distance on map is equivalent to 1 kilometer's distance on actual land. Then we have the linear scales. So for a line is divided into some equal parts and it is used on maps to show the relationship between a particular distance on map and the actual distance on the earth. So a linear scale is also called a bar scale or a graphic scale. So it is also of 2 types. The large-scale map shows more details about small areas such as a locality or colony with great detail, and the small-scale maps show large areas like a country or continent with fewer details. Then we have the color scheme. So on a map you will find different colors, but you can't color the map on your own. So there are some specific colors for some specific things. Like for water bodies, we can use the color blue. For land, we can use different colors like brown, yellow, green, dark green or light green. All these colors are used for showing the land. Then we have the conventional signs or symbols. So to show a temple or a mosque or a church, that there is a mosque in this area, there is a temple in this area, so there is a cluster of organization of people here. Here we have the post office, here you have the telegraph office. So to show all these things, even the railway lines or the bridges, wherever it is, to show all these things, we have some conventional signs or symbols to depict on the map so that we can understand what is there. So here are some conventional symbols used on a map for boundaries. For international boundaries, these kind of symbols are shown. For state boundaries, it is different, and for district, it is different. So even roads, also different kinds of roads are there, metalled, unmetalled and footpath. Then railways, broad gauge and meter gauge, two types of railways are there. They are also depicted with different signs. Then water streams, water system, that is stream, riverbed, tank, dam, canal, riverbed with stream, tank, dry one. So these kind of things are differently shown. Then vegetation is also shown with different signs and symbols. Even monuments are also shown, and settlements are also shown with different symbols. Now, here are some of the specific colors that are used for the physical features in a map. For blue, we depict all the water bodies, that is ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. For light brown color, we understand that there is a plateau. For dark brown, there is mountains. For yellow, there is agricultural land. For green, there is forests and plain. And if there is white, that is the scrub land or the barren land. That is, white color is used. So all these things are used in a map, and these things help us to understand the different things, the different parts of the things on this earth, even the relief features and everything that is on the place, in a place. So a map is a very detailed study, or you can say a complete study of a country or a place. So this is all about this chapter. So I hope you will read this chapter and you will be eager to know more about this chapter. So have a happy learning. Bye bye.